2026 is changing beauty and wellness. Beauty and wellness in 2026 are about results, longevity, and understanding the body as a whole. If you've been overwhelmed by skincare products, confused by wellness advice, or frustrated that nothing seems to work long term, this video is for you. I'm Samantha Dench, a licensed esthetician, functional medicine practitioner, and owner of Skin Deep Aesthetics. Today, I'm breaking down the biggest beauty and wellness shifts we're seeing in 2026 and what this actually means for your skin and your health. Let's start with one of the biggest shifts we're seeing, the return to professional skin treatments. During the pandemic, we saw a huge rise in DIY skincare, at-home devices, and social media skincare routines. And while some of that had value, 2026 is making a shift back to professional care. And honestly, it makes sense. A handheld device and a viral video don't compare to trained hands, professional grade treatments, and someone who understands your skin on a deeper level. Skin is complex. It's constantly changing. In 2026, people are realizing that expert-led treatments aren't a luxury. They're part of maintaining healthy skin long term. I talk more about why this matters in this week's blog, and I'll drop that link below. You need to check it out, especially if you've been trying to do everything yourself and you're not seeing results. Another major shift in aesthetics is how we approach results. Clients still want visible improvement, but without aggressive treatments that cause downtime. This is where non-invasive treatments paired with advanced ingredients come in. Ingredients like peptides and exosomes help support collagen production, reduce inflammation, and strengthen the skin over time. When paired with advanced technologies and red light therapy, we're able to stimulate repair without triggering excessive stress on the skin. This approach is about working with the skin's biology, not against it, leading to a healthier, more resilient skin long term. In 2026, anti-aging is being replaced by longevity-focused skincare. Instead of overloading the skin with products, we're seeing a shift towards skinimalism. Fewer products, smarter formulations, and routines designed to support the skin barrier. We're also seeing skincare routines aligned with the circadian rhythm, hormonal changes, and environmental stressors. Skin repair doesn't happen randomly. It follows biological patterns. Once you understand how timing and lifestyle affect skin function, your results improve dramatically. Now let's talk about my favorite trend, where skin and wellness meet. Welcome to the era of inside-out beauty. Your skin is a reflection of what's happening inside your body. Gut health, blood sugar, hormones, nutrition, and stress all lead to inflammation and problematic skin. My own experience with adult acne is what led me to help my clients heal their skin from the inside out, and eventually to study functional medicine. I learned early on that topical treatments alone can't resolve an internal imbalance. In 2026, we're seeing functional medicine and aesthetics working together. Instead of guessing, we use testing to identify root causes and create personalized plans. Wellness is moving away from a one-size-fits-all solution towards personalization, which directly impacts your skin health. We're seeing a move away from multivitamins and quick-fix supplements, and instead shifting towards customization. In functional medicine, supplements are not your foundation. They support your healing. Without proper nutrition, stress regulation, and lifestyle changes, supplements alone can't do the work. When wellness is personalized and intentional, the body responds more effectively. Another major shift in wellness is the focus on the nervous system, lifestyle, and connection. Chronic stress, poor sleep, and constant digital stimulation keep the body in fight or flight mode. When cortisol stays elevated, skin repair slows, inflammation increases, and breakout sensitivity and premature aging become more common. That's why tech abstinence improves sleep hygiene and nervous system regulation are becoming essential, not optional. We're also seeing a renewed focus on community and connection because isolation increases inflammation and negatively impacts both your mental and physical health. When lifestyle and social health improve, the body feels safe. And when the body feels safe, it begins to heal. Here's what 2026 is really asking of us. Professional care over DIY, smarter, non-invasive treatments, longevity over quick fixes, inside-out beauty, personalized wellness, and intentional lifestyle choices. When skin, internal health, and lifestyle are addressed together, results last longer. If this video helped you think differently about skin and wellness, make sure to subscribe to our channel. Like this video, save it for later, and share it with someone who needs to hear this message. And if you want to go deeper, be sure to check out our full blog and podcast. I've linked both of those below. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.